season greetings, everyone. Welcome. We are doing boho braids today. What hairdo are you planning to do for Christmas? Yeah, this is the season. Everyone trying to look all fine. So I already prepped my hair. I already started braiding, as you can see. So we'll just proceed with how I do the boho braids. So typically I'm cutting the lines the typical box braid style. So after parting the hair, I've already started braiding from underneath, as you can see. So I just want to give you a close-up on exactly what I am doing. So first I part the hair, make sure that the lines are very straight. Then I'll be going in with some jam gel. Just make sure we put it on all the four sides of the square, and then we are going to comb the hair, comb that so that everything merges perfectly well together. Next, I part the hair into three like that to ease the braiding as you start. So I will start the braiding with since it's kind of like knotless, so I'm not starting the hair with the extra hair on. So I will start the hair with the natural hair. So I'm just going to braid once and twice and thrice. Then I put the curly hair in. So I'm just gonna insert it like that. Some people take it just once and insert the hair, so whichever is your preference. You can do once, you can do twice. So once I insert the curly hair first, then I'll just braid once and then I start filling in the expression hair like that. So that's how I basically do knotless. So I'll start feeding in the hair, and then I'll just feed 1 2 and I feed in more hair. I take again 1 2 and feed in more hair, and then I'll just be braiding down. So for this boho, I'll be adding 3 strands of the curly hair. So depending on the length of the hair, you're just going to estimate with your eyes. So I'll do like 1/4 braiding before I add in the next strand of the curly hair. So we'll just add hair and braid down like so. So I'll just braid. This is very interesting style. I mean, people are so crazy about this style. So this is actually the first time I'm doing boho braids for a client. So it was a nice experience doing this hair. So I've just fitted in the second strand. So you feed it in from on the opposite side, right, with the loose end facing downwards, because you're braiding down, it will cover, and the long end facing upwards. And then I'll just go ahead and keep braiding and adding a few strands of hair to just give me the desired length. When I've braided like almost 3/4 of the hair, then I'll add in the third strand of the curly hair, which is going to be the final strand of the hair, which is, as you can see. So I just feed it in under like that, and then push it on the other side so that I don't braid it as I go, and then that'll be it. I braid down to the finish. I will not be dipping this hair in hot water, so I will try to braid it down as much as possible. So that's why pre-stretched hair is best for this style, because since the hair is pre-stretched, it already gives that finishing that enables you to braid to like almost the last few strands. But if you could still do hot water dip for the hair, but that's just totally optional. Okay, so I'll just try to braid till I get it all down, and that's typically how I do the boho. So it has three feeding in of the curly hair, and that's what I'll be doing for the entire hair. So when I'm done with the hair, I just use some mousse and apply it generously around the hair to give that nice finishing and to make everything come together nicely. It just has a way of giving it a nice look, a nice feel as well. Then I'll go in with a pair of scissors and just trim lightly. So I'm trimming like to give me an A kind of form. And this is the hair. It's very beautiful. The client loved it. She was so happy, and that is the essential thing about doing hair, when you make the client 100% satisfied. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.